Hey everybody, I hope you all are having a good day and welcome back. So today we're going to be making keto chicken tenders and let's get started. So I'm going to start by doing that with a mallet so we have a nice even base and the chicken tender bakes evenly. I'm using 2 pounds of chicken tender. So now onto the sauce, I'm adding salt to taste, black pepper 1 tablespoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, sriracha sauce 1 tablespoon, Italian herbs 1 teaspoon, rice vinegar 2 tablespoons, Habanero honey mustard 1.5 tablespoon, and olive oil 3 tablespoons. Here we have garlic powder, crushed red pepper, ginger powder, and white pepper. And I'm going to mix that all together until it's fully combined. Here I have fresh coriander, 2 tablespoons. The fresh coriander really helps to add fresh flavor into the chicken, so I really recommend you don't skip on that. Here I have buttermilk, 3 tablespoons, and you can use heavy cream as well, and that this is just going to help add moistness and have a really nice flavor, make the chicken tenders nice and juicy. So I'm going to be mixing that up. And the sauce we made earlier, we're just going to pour that on the chicken tenders. And we're going to mix until the sauce and the chicken is fully combined. And there you go, it's done. So I'm gonna let mine marinate for an hour. You don't have to let yours marinate, you can just pop it in the air fryer right then. But I just wanted the flavor to soak into the chicken even more, so I just marinated it. So here I have my air fryer and I'm just gonna spray it with some cooking spray. And we're gonna place our chicken into the air fryer. So now we're going to pop this into the air fryer, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 minutes on each side. So it's been 15 minutes and you can see the top is done, and after 15 minutes I'm just going to flip it so the other side can bake for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been another 15 minutes and our chicken tenders are done. So now that they're done, we're going to serve them in a serving dish. You can see how nice and juicy they look. They're perfect for meal prep, make ahead meals. They're good for on the go. It's amazing and they taste so good. I hope you guys try this recipe because it's amazing. And ready to serve. I'm serving it with avocado ranch. I will have the link for that in the description box below for my avocado homemade ranch. I hope you guys watch that video as well. And you're done. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.